Yeah, this is a fantastic place to be doing a show. And in case you didn't know about the project, my name is Travis Peterson. And about a year and a half ago, I was invited to go to Cuba to produce a new album, focusing on the new Cuban sounds, the radical tour, New Cuban Sounds. I went over there for a few days, met up with a lot of fantastic new artists that I hadn't met before, even heard before. And a few months later, I went back to Havana, Cuba to record an album which featured all the music